Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Fantasy Life error code 30004. The error reads, Unexpected error, initialization timeout. As per our research, the error comes during game startup and prevents users from launching the game. According to our research, this error may occur due to corrupted Windows system files or an issue with Easy Anti-Cheat. It may also happen after a recent Windows update, or if security software interferes with the game's initialization process. To fix the error, the first thing we suggest is to make sure your Windows is fully updated. Install any pending updates and restart your PC. If the error still comes, run the Windows System File Checker. To do this, open Command Prompt as administrator, then enter the command dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Once it's done, enter the command sfc/scannow. Then let the scan complete and then restart your PC and check for the error. If the error still persists, try disabling your device's security software temporarily and check for the error again. If the error still continues, reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. Simply go to your game folder, then delete the EAC setup file, then delete the EAC installed folder from Program Files. After that, go to Steam, right-click on the game and select the option to repair it. Then look for the error again. If the error still doesn't resolve, then go to Seed Windows System 32 drivers and search for the file easyanticheat.sys. Make a backup copy of it on your desktop, then delete it from the original folder and try launching the game again. If you still get the error and it started after a recent system update, use Windows System Restore to revert your PC to a previously working state. And check for the error. At last, if nothing helps, we suggest you contact the game support and report the issue directly for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.